Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to password protect a PDF document in SwifDoo, an all-in-one PDF document editor that you can try for free. So I'm logged into my SwifDoo account. You can click this open button or this one right here to open your PDF document. I'm going to be using this PDF document to password protect it. So I'll click on it and it'll open the PDF document in view mode. Next, go to the Advanced tab up top and click on Encryption. You'll see this dialog box pop up. There are two levels of encryption. You can check this box to set up a password when anyone opens the file. In this box, tap the password. Obviously, you want to use a strong password. In the second level of encryption, you can set up an owner password to restrict printing, copying, annotating, and editing. Similarly, you check this box, enter your password, check the respective boxes, and click OK. You will need to re-enter the password, and then click OK. And you now have set up the password. Now, if I go back to File Explorer and open the PDF file, you can see that it prompts me for the password. I'll enter the password and click OK, and it opens the PDF document. If you want to remove the password in SwifDoo, click on Decryption in the Advanced tab. You'll see this dialog box, enter the password, and click OK. And that's pretty much it. You can try SwifDoo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.